Hi, I'm making savory oats for breakfast this morning. Would you like to see how I make them? I'm going to be adding in some broccoli and some carrots, some beans and oatmeal, and just a little bit of seasoning to that. So come on, let's see how it's made. I've just got some water from my kettle in my pan. I'm going to throw in some raw broccoli that I've chopped into some smaller pieces. And I'm just going to let this soften a very, very little bit until it's al dente. And then over here I've got some carrots. And to get this nice thin strand, I used a julienne peeler. I'm going to put a link below on how I use the julienne peeler so that you can see how you can also achieve this kind of a look. So in the pan with this too. This is a real simple breakfast, just the way I like it. I'm going to add a little bit more water from my kettle. The kettle or the tap, wherever yours comes from. Now to this I'm going to add some beans. They're just some white beans that I buy in a jar like this. It's going to bulk up my breakfast. This is a 0-point meal, by the way. I'm going to add in my oatmeal. I've got a half a cup here. It's also 0 points. It's already cooked oatmeal. I like to make a big batch of this every week. I'm just going to let this get all warmed up here. I'll add in some, this is the 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Add a pinch of this in because I think it's a pretty strong flavor on its own. And now in a jar here, I recycle my jars, and here I've got a tablespoon of white miso, a couple tablespoons of tamari, 3 tablespoons of water, and about a tablespoon of chopped ginger. I'm going to put the recipe for that below for you too, but I'm going to add this in here. Not the whole thing, but just some of it to give it some flavor. And as you can see, it's starting to look really good. It smells great. I wish you could smell it from here. The last thing I'm going to add in is some chopped green onions, or scallions, or however you call it. And this is a great big bowl of goodness for 0 points. And that's my breakfast. That's how I roll. So this is my savory oats for breakfast. I hope you'll give it a try. It's really filling. It's full of great nutrients. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.